Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm DJ.
And I'm Sakshi, and we are back with another food vlog from Singapore. Today we are headed to Lau Pa Sat, which is one of the most popular hawker centers, or rather food court that you can say, which is frequented by both locals as well as tourists. So let's go!
So Lau Pa Sat has been going under renovation for last few months, and recently they have opened. Slowly their stalls are started to open. So we decided to pay a visit and try some of the new stalls here. So let's check it out. So we are trying another place called Go Pizza. This is a Korean chain which recently opened up Singapore. They have actually they don't have any big size pizzas. Their specialty is a personal size pizza, which is like a very small pizza for one person. Along with pizzas, they do have options like pasta, garlic bread, and some fries and tomato soup, etc. All are personal size, so it's not big size. So we have ordered a veggie pizza, which was for $7.90, which is a reasonable price for pizza. So I'm gonna give it a try now. The pizza has a lot of onions, mushroom, capsicum, corn, and tomato sauce and cheese. And here you go. The pizza is really good for the price, and its taste is really good. The sauce is sweet and tangy, and the vegetables and the olives gives it that really nice taste. So overall, it's a great pizza. So today we are trying kimchi soup with rice. The soup looks really good. This is the first time we are trying. This is a vegetarian. You can ask the food court counter, so they can tell you if they can make vegetarian or not. And this has glass noodles, sprouts, and then also it has some other vegetables as well. And they serve with rice and kimchi. So let's give it a try. This is so good. It's flavorsome, it's tangy and spicy, and then they give you also extra kimchi, so you can have with extra kimchi. So now let me give it a try with the rice. This should be must try here. This is really good, and it's so warm and comforting and soothing. So you will really like it. You should definitely try.
So what I'm having today is called a carrot cake, but that's just the name. Actually, it is made of rice flour and boiled radish, which is then stir fried with soy sauce and also egg. So it's not exactly vegetarian if you're not okay with egg, but if you do, then this is you can try this as it's one of the local favorite snack. Actually, I've tried this many times. This is not the first time that I'm having, but the quality and the taste varies from vendor to vendor. So this one is really good and has all the flavors that you're looking for. So pretty good. So each food court or hawker center usually have one central counter which has all kinds of beverages, both hot and cold. So earlier we had iced Kopi C, which was really great, and now I'm having this watermelon juice, which is so good and refreshing. So I mean, there's always that option of accompanying your food, pairing your food with all kinds of drinks that you'd like.
And we ordered a thali meal from an Indian stall, so which comes with the 2 vegetables and a dal, a rice, and 1 single roti. But we ordered 1 extra roti because me and Sakshi are sharing the meal. So looks good. The curry quality looks good. So let me give it a try. This is palak paneer, cottage cheese, spinach and cottage cheese. the curry is really good, and they give you really hot rotis, so which are amazing. You can also order naan if you like naan, but we ordered a tandoori roti. So let me try now the chickpeas and the dal. Chickpeas are okay. It's not that flavorful. As flavorful as the cottage cheese. Dal is really good. It feels very homely. It's very mild flavors, but it feels really homely. So overall, it's a very good option to order from this Indian place. So apart from the places we tried, there are two more options I want to mention specially. One is Urban Roti. We really love this place. The food is really good. It's a North Indian restaurant. It's in the same premises as Lopasa. It's a sit-down restaurant. So during weekdays, they do have thali options for lunch, and they do have a la carte menu during the day. So you should definitely check out Urban Roti because we love that place. So the other option is Soup Spoon, which is part of the Food Folks space in Lopasa. So Soup Spoon has a few vegetarian soup options along with sandwiches and salads, which you can try. We really like the soups from Soup Spoon, so you should definitely check out Soup Spoon as well. Thanks for watching the video, guys.
We hope that you found it useful, and if you have more questions for us, then leave them in the comments. And as always, do hit like, and if you've still not joined the channel, then do hit subscribe. See you!